The EPOMAKER Hi75 Barebones Kit impresses with its revolutionary mode-switching knob, allowing seamless transitions between work and gaming modes with refined control over volume and lighting. Featuring a sleek 75% layout with 81 essential keys, this keyboard strikes a perfect balance between minimalistic design and comprehensive functionality. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, the Hi75 offers a durable and luxurious build that enhances any desktop setup with its sophisticated flair. Equipped with an advanced gaming-grade chip, the H75 ensures rapid and responsive keystroke registration, providing a seamless gaming experience. The full-key hot swap capability allows users to customize their typing experience by easily swapping out switch types to suit personal preferences. With its hassle-free Type-C interface and extendable spring data cable, the Hi75 guarantees effortless setup and flexibility for immediate use.